Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet these flower rings. This project is super beginner friendly. We can finish in less than 20 minutes. This is also a great project to reuse our yarn tails. If you're new to my channel, I'm sharing easy crochet tutorials every second week. Please subscribe and turn on notification. You can find the same yarn I'm using in my Etsy shop. More information in description below. Now let's begin. These are materials we will be using. We firstly do the flower heart. We start with a double circle or a normal magic ring. Here we chain 1 to start. Do not count this chain as a stitch. Now we do 10 single crochet in the circle. 1, 2, 3. You can now pause here until finish 10. Here we have 10 single crochet. We will then close the circle. The advantage of starting with a double circle is once closed, it's super tight. So it's safe to cut off the tail. A normal magic ring also works the same here. Then we do a slip stitch through the first space to close the circle. If you are not sure where is your first stitch, you can count to make sure you have 10 stitches. So this is the flower heart. Now we can cut off the yarn. Before moving on, we can move the tail to the back of the flower heart. Here we found another yarn to do the flower petals. We connect the pink yarn to any stitch of the flower heart. Here we yarn over and pull through. Then we do 2 chains. 1, 2. Here in the same stitch, we do 2 double crochet. While moving on, we can head the tail. So here's our first double crochet. Now our second, still in the current space. Then in the next space, we do 2 double crochet. While moving on, remember to head all tails. So 1 and 2. Finally, we chain 2, and in the next space, we do a slip stitch. So this is how we do our flower petals. We'll then repeat. So we chain 2 to start next petal, then still in the current space, 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Move to the next space, 2 double crochet. While moving on, remember to head all tails. 1, 2. Finally, 2 chain and a slip stitch in the next space. So this is the pattern of our flower petals. We will repeat to do 5 petals for this flower. Here we have 5. Finally, we chain 2 and a slip stitch into the first space. Then we chain 1 to secure the end and cut off the yarn. So this is our flower. Finally, we head the tail and cut off all tails. Then we will do the ring. We start with a slip knot. The number of the chains depends on the size of your finger. Here I did 16 chains. You can measure your finger and adjust the numbers. So here I stopped at 16 chains. And we measure this around our finger. So 16 is quite good for me. Now we continue. From here, we will start to work in the back bump, which is the stitches here. Here we find the third back bump from the hook. 1, 2, 3. And we do a half double crochet here. So in this row, we do 1 half double crochet in each back bump. You can now pause here until you come to the end. Here we come to the last back bump and we still do a half double crochet. Finally, we chain 2 and slip stitch through this last space. Then we chain 1 to secure the end and cut off the yarn. Here we leave 20 minutes long tail for future sewing. Finally, we sew this part into a ring with our long tails. Then we assemble the flower to the ring. Done!